All right, so it definitely is a nice dresser overall. Got the light on right now. With the light off, it look real nice and everything. The only thing is some of these drawers, like say for instance, that one gets stuck right there. A decent way to show you like a drawer, those come all the way out, they roll all the way out or whatever, but like this one, I gotta kind of tug on it a bit. Some of them don't align back, like for example, I pull this one out, then when I go to close it, it don't quite wanna close. You gotta kind of wiggle it in. Same thing with this bottom drawer. Maybe it was just something on this side, but some of the middle drawers do it too. Like it'll get stuck right there. They get hung up on something. And then, but other than that, I mean, it looked real nice. It's definitely a nice looking dresser.
We bought this not knowing what to expect. My son fell in love with the light, and honestly, it's really surpassed our expectation from quality to how it's made. The instructions were easy to follow, as you can see. My favorite part of all of it, one of my favorite parts, I should say, is on the bottom. It actually has an extra support. So if there is something heavier up here, it's not just gonna fall through. The lighting here, you can change different colors. It is pretty heavy, so it's not just gonna like flip around. The material, the quality really has surprised me. So definitely buying another one from my other son, and I would highly recommend it to anybody else.
Parece un cofre.
Científicos en realidad solar pudo determinar gracias a un extenso estudio